Good evening. Tonight, COVID-19 cases across the globe continue to rise as the pandemic grows.
But the country with the highest number is now the United States. We go live now to 25 News reporter Sydney Eisenberg, who is working remotely from the coronavirus tracker desk. Sydney?
Lindsay and Todd, the U.S. now has the most amount of coronavirus cases in the entire world, edging out China. Now, new numbers released from Johns Hopkins show 83,000 reported cases in the U.S. Now, China is not too far behind with 81,000 cases. Back here in the Lone Star State, Governor Greg Abbott issued a new executive order today targeting travelers coming to Texas from specific states in the Northeast.
Either in New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut, will be subject to a mandatory self-quarantine for 14 days or for the duration of their stay in Texas, whichever is shorter.
The order requires people coming from those designated areas and New Orleans to fill out a form detailing their stay while in Texas under the quarantine. DPS troopers will check in on them to make sure they are complying with the order. Failing to comply with the order means you could face a $1,000 fine, 180 days in jail, or both. Now in Central Texas, we have our first reported death from the virus. Bell County health officials tell 25 News the victim was a woman in her 80s from Temple. Here's a look at the latest positive cases right here in our area. Bell County is reporting 20 cases. McLennan County now has 33 confirmed cases, while Brazos County climbed to 28. COVID-19 cases in the surrounding counties are holding steady. Milam County remains at 2 cases, while Falls, Coryell, and Limestone are reporting 1 case each. Right now, there are a total of 18 deaths across the state. Globally, there are roughly 529,000 cases reported with 23,000 patient deaths. However, 122,000 patients have recovered, so there is some good news coming out of all this. Now, you can always count on the coronavirus tracker desk to keep you up to date with up-to-the-minute changes all the way from the federal government to your local government as this coronavirus pandemic grows. Live at the coronavirus tracker desk, Sydney Eisenberg, 25 News.